What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Penguin Trek construction update. It's been a couple weeks. Well, the ride hasn't been testing, and we're back right now, hopefully, to see what's going on with the area. We just saw an announcement yesterday from SeaWorld that the Antarctica Realm is going to be reopening on the 25th. Over here in the front entrance, self-service ticketing, the little kiosk, getting some love right now. In the time being, we do have the kiosk off to the side on the left next to the lighthouse over here, still in operation though. Ticket windows are not busy at all, which is pretty awesome. It's going to be crazy this weekend though, with it being a holiday. Security was a breeze, and there's no wait at the turnstiles at the front entrance. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. It has been hot in Florida, very hot. Somewhere in the high 80s, low 90s, but heat index has been over 100 degrees, and we even have signs out right here saying, watch out, it's hot. Alright, so normally we walk down this pathway towards Sky Tower, which is in operation right now, but today we're going to switch it up. We're going to head over here and see what's going on. Of course, going this way does have its benefits right off the bat. Pink chickens! I'll be back for you. Manta, and it's currently in operation right now at a 25-minute wait. Something I do want to point out though, apparently this past weekend they were running dual load station. Yep, that's right, both of them were working, and they had 3 trains. That's awesome, especially when it's getting really busy this summer. And here's Penguin Trek. Again, really kind of weird that it has not tested in over 3 weeks. We were here when it did its first run, and the day after that saw a lot of runs, but it's been quiet, and I don't think they've been testing it at night or anything else like that. There's been a lot of work apparently on over in the station area and brake run area. We'll check that out in a little bit, but I don't know what to tell you guys. Hopefully we see some runs soon. Landscaping around the area has been done for a while. Again, ride looks really good. Everything's in place. Just need to send it. Journey to Atlantis, currently in operation, showing a 10-minute wait. It's not bad considering how hot it is. And here we are over in the Antarctica area of the park. Apparently, like we said, SeaWorld made an announcement on their pass holder page that walls were going to be coming down and the area was going to be open this Saturday on the 25th. I'm seeing a lot of work that still needs to be done. Around the outside of the building, we do have a reach over here with the door open, doing some work. And this area over here still has barricades and the Pardon Our Bubbles A-frames. Kraken, currently showing a 5-minute wait. Not bad. Rita's Italian Ice, and apparently they have something new. Shark Gelati. Work walls are still up around this area, and hopefully they'll be down soon. We do have guys up on the roof doing some work. Now, the last couple years this building has been used for Howl-O-Scream as a haunted attraction, but I'm sure they want to spruce it up, make it look real nice for when Penguin Trek opens. Barricades are still up over here. They do have a sign saying "See and feed the sea lions" that way. Again, doesn't look like anything has changed around this area as it's been ready for quite a while. Just need these walls to come down. Again, sometime between now and Saturday, apparently that's going to happen. Fingers crossed. Looks like the accessibility ramp is complete. Just has barricades up. Looks nice. Right over here by the end of the launch, we had the protection that was for the LSMs. It's off and it's stacked up, but there's still a lot of work going on inside right now. They're doing welding, some rebar for some of the theming. So again, does not look like any testing is going to happen, at least while we're here today. And over here by the brake run and maintenance area, well, a lot of work on the outside of the building and inside going on right now. In a previous update, we pointed out some of these poles that are along the ride, and we were like, wonder what those are. And you guys said that they were for cameras. I could easily see that. The time has come for Sky Tower. Let's do this. Well, this is different. No wait for Sky Tower. Something I do want to bring up, I love when you guys, the fans, send us messages saying, hey, this is happening at the park, whether a ride looks like it's about to be testing or our fountain isn't working as well as it was. Yep, somebody sent us a message, and sadly, yeah, it's having some issues. Hello, fishy.
Are you center deaf on a window? No.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times.
So there's nothing there during the day.
Into the wild. To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll find Aquatica. Our water park hosts the most water slides in Orlando. This Visit the information counter today to see how you can experience Discovery Cove and
Shop. It's an 8-foot hard.
Unfortunately, the Seven Seas Food Festival is not going on anymore. No more concerts, and the food booths are gone. But we have a shade structure right here, and that looks to be new. And now it's time to head across the bridge to see what's going on over by Wild Arctic. Pipeline doing its thing. Beautiful day, just very hot. And icebreaker also in operation. Something else to note, Bayside Stadium is getting some love right now as they are getting ready for their summer events. In fact, Ignite, the first showing, is this weekend. That's right, it returns. Speaking of icebreaker, I have good news to report as it's running 2 trains. Gotta love quick operations. The ride itself, only a 5-minute wait. Not bad. Now we're over here in the Wild Arctic area. Again, rumored, there might be a 2025 attraction coming over here, but we know that it's probably gonna be at least a haunted house for Howl-O-Scream coming up. While I don't think we're going to see anything new, still going to check. Inside here, not seeing any new markings. We still have the barricade up and the work wall saying no trespassing. I do see some scaffolding on the outside of the building right now. Infinity Falls, and for some reason it has a work wall right here on the bridge. The ride itself currently showing a 105-minute wait. Ouch. And there's the ride doing its thing. And the reason why the work walls are up. Fence is gone. Waterway Grill, and they have something awesome here. Free beer. Normally I would not be drinking on a hot day like today, but I'll do it for the fans. And there is Waterway Grill just on the opposite side of it. The kiosk for the free beer. There you have it, folks. 2 free glorious beers. Nautilus Theater, and we have some news on this. As for Howl-O-Scream, they've had a show called Monster Stomp Blood Alley. And guess what? We just saw a posting online for SeaWorld Jobs that they're looking for actors and performers for the show again. So it's returning. We've also been informed that a new show is coming here to the Nautilus Theater this summer called Acceleration, featuring BMX performers, dancers, and all sorts of extreme stunts. Mako! And it's currently showing a 20-minute wait. Not bad, running 2 trains. It's been a little while. Let's take a ride on Mako, shall we? Well, that was an awesome ride on Mako. And just off to the side over here on the exit, we have a tent. And that right there is where they are doing prep on some of the parade floats. Yep, that's right. A new parade show is going to be happening this summer too. Being a past member has its perks, and today I'm going to feed some sharks. Feed the sharks. Feed the sharks. Feed them. We were just talking about the new parade, and now we have stickers on the ground right here saying stay behind the waves, and this is for the parade viewing. Oh yeah, it's time for my favorite part of the day, pink chickens. This pink chicken thinks it's king of the hill. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for Penguin Trek. Again, the Antarctica Realm is going to be opening up on the 25th, very, very soon. And hopefully, we're going to have the ride, Penguin Trek, opening up shortly after that. Again, looking more and more like it's going to be June. And hopefully, we'll see some testing soon because we have not seen anything in at least 3 weeks. Of course, we got all the stuff going on for the summer, and we're going to have plenty more updates. So if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.